Hi guys, hello Bosconian. I hope that you're okay at this moment. Okay, I'm trying to make a video about your lessons, and then I think I have here two worksheets, and these worksheets were uploaded to you by Mom Jonah last week. Let me answer some of the exercises. Okay, let's recall about how to simplify polynomials. So from this worksheet, I decided to pick only few items. Okay, since this is only a recall. Okay, let me answer numbers 1. I picked numbers 1, 3, 5, 9, and 19. Okay, in simplifying polynomials again, how do we simplify polynomials? Again, we simplify polynomials by simply applying the things that you have learned about distributive property of multiplication. So, for us to remove this parenthesis, all you need to do is to apply distributive property. Okay. 4 times 3x, the answer is 12x. And then 4 times 10, the answer is 40 minus 5. So what have you noticed? This is not yet your final answer, and then the parentheses are already removed. So there are like terms, so 40 and 5, because they are both numbers or constants. So you can simply answer them by 40 minus 5, the answer is 35. And just simply bring down 12x. Okay, what would be the operation in between? It should be what? Addition. So final answer, yes. Okay, again, this is having a variable, and then the other one is not having a variable. Okay, let's now have item number 3. Item number 3, the given is 9 times the quantity of 5x minus 3 minus 12. So 9 times 5x will give you 45x. 9 times negative 3, the answer is 27, or negative 27. Okay, so 9 times 3, 27, bring down the operation which is subtraction, bring down minus 12. Okay, this time negative 27 minus 12, negative 27 minus 12, the answer is negative 39. Again, you must be good about integers. And don't forget also to apply the things that you have learned about integers. Okay, again, let's recall again this one. I think I forgot something. So I forgot to put x here. Okay, so bring down 45x. So the answer is 45x minus 39. Final answer. Yes, because you can't combine them anymore. Okay, number 5. Number 5 is negative 3 times 5. The answer is negative 15. And then negative times negative 2x. The answer is negative 3 times negative 2x. The answer is positive 6x. Okay, plus 10x. Again, you must be good about the rules on integers. Okay, so we have a pair of like terms. So 6x and 10x. Again, how do we know if the terms are like? If they have like terms, it should have of the same variable or variables, and then they have of the same exponents or exponent. Okay, let's continue. Let's simplify 6x and 10x. Okay, the answer is 16x. Okay, what will you do with minus 15 or negative 15? Just simply bring it down. So what would be the operation in between? Positive, positive, the answer is. Okay, but it seems It seems that our answer here is not yet arranged in descending power. So in algebra, we most probably use the polynomials arranged should be in descending power. So in algebra, we seldomly arrange the polynomials in ascending. So if we will arrange this one, the signs of each term will not be affected. So it's still the same. We're just only arranging it. So 16x, it's already positive here. You don't need to put positive sign. Since this is negative 15 or minus 15, just simply copy negative 15. So as you notice, it's already arranged in descending power of exponent. This is also your final answer. Okay? Next, number 9. Number 9 is 100 plus 2 times the quantity of 11x minus 4 minus 5x. So bring down first 100. Can you still follow? Hopefully you can still follow. So 2 times 11x, the answer is positive 22x. Just bring down plus, positive times positive, the answer is positive 22x. Positive 2 times 4, the answer is 8. Bring down minus. Okay, and then bring down minus 5x. Okay? So we have pairs of like terms. Again, like terms should have of the same variable and of the same exponent. So we have 22x and we have 5x or minus 5x rather. So 22x minus 5x, the answer is 17x. And then another set of like terms, we have 100 and minus 8. What is 100 minus 8? The answer is 92. So what would be the sign in front? Since 22 minus 5 is positive, so plus 17x. And again, still our answer not yet arranged in descending power, so therefore 17x plus 92. Okay, and then our last item that I pick is number 19. This is more complicated. As you notice, we have lots of parentheses involved. Okay, we do it slowly. So 4 times 5x is 20x. 4 times negative 8, negative 32. Again, bring down plus sign. 9 times x, the answer is 9x. 9 times 8, the answer is 72. Then bring down minus. 3 times 3x, the answer is 9x. 3 times 1, the answer is 3. But here, as you notice, this would become positive. Because negative 3 times negative 1 should be positive 3. Okay? So we have lots of like terms here. So let me use the colored violet for me to identify. That's my strategy. One way of identifying like terms is making shapes. You can also follow my strategy in solving. But if you are good enough and you can solve it mentally without encircling, without making shapes for me to identify or for you to identify the like terms, you may do it. But for me, showing you that they are giving emphasis that they are considered as what? Like terms. So what have you noticed about this one? 20x, 9x, minus 9x. So 9 minus 9 is going to give you 0. So we do not have such 0x. Just simply 0. So what's left? Left is 20x. Okay. Let's now proceed to the other set of like terms. We have negative 32, minus 32, plus 72, plus 3. Okay, my strategy here, just only combine those same signs. So, same signs are 72 and 3 will give you 75. Okay? And then, what will happen to negative 32? Just simply add it. Okay, and negative 32. Just like this one. This is my sketch work. As you notice, they are considered what? Unlike signs. So, operation is addition. Again, previous lessons about integers. So, it's just simply subtract and copy the sign of the highest absolute number, absolute sign. Copy the sign of the absolute value. Copy the sign of the highest absolute value. That's it. So, 5 plus 2, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. And 7 minus 3, the answer is 4. What would be the sign? Is it positive or negative? Okay, correct. Positive. So, therefore, going back here to the solution. So, 20x plus 43. I hope that you learned something. Okay, this is only a recall from your previous lesson about simplifying polynomials. I hope that you learned something to this one. Sorry for struggling making this video because it's hard for me to have this video with my cell phone, holding the cell phone and solving using only one hand. Okay, thank you and stay safe, everyone.